What if I told you there's one country on this planet that changed the rules of the game forever? A nation built not on centuries of monarchy or bloodlines, but on a single, radical idea. That every person, no matter where they came from, deserves a shot at greatness. Today, we're asking the question the world never stops arguing about. Why is the United States of America considered by many the greatest country in the world? Let's start with something remarkable: Silicon Valley. NASA, Hollywood, Wall Street. These aren't just places on a map. They are the engines of the modern world. The United States is home to over 40% of the world's top universities, including Harvard, MIT, and Stanford. It has produced more Nobel Prize winners than any other country in history. From the airplane to the internet, from the smartphone to the moon landing, if you've used it, there's a good chance America built it first. And the reason? A culture that doesn't just tolerate risk, it rewards it. Now let's talk about money, because when it comes to economics, the numbers are almost hard to believe. The United States has the largest economy in the world, worth over $27 trillion. That's larger than the next two economies, China and Japan, combined. The US dollar is the world's reserve currency, which means every time a deal is made in Dubai, a trade is struck in Tokyo, or oil is sold in the Middle East, the dollar is likely involved. That kind of financial reach doesn't happen by accident. It happens by design. Then there is the matter of global security. The United States spends more on its military than the next 10 countries combined. It maintains over 750 military bases in 80 countries across the globe. Like it or not, the stability of global trade routes, international shipping lanes, and even the internet infrastructure you're using right now is backed, in part, by American military presence. But here's where it gets personal for billions of people around the world. Whether you're in Lagos or London, Dhaka or Dubai, you've heard American music. You've watched American movies, worn American brands, quoted American films, probably without even realizing it. Beyoncé, Marvel, Nike, McDonald's, CNN. These aren't just names, they're a global language. American culture has a gravitational pull unlike anything the world has ever seen. But perhaps the most powerful thing about America is not the money, not the military, and not the movies. It's an idea. The idea that no matter who you are, where you were born, or what you look like, you can come here, work hard, and build a life you never thought possible. It's called the American Dream. And while it's been tested, challenged, and debated, millions of people still risk everything just for the chance to try it. Is the United States perfect? Absolutely not. No country is. It faces deep inequality, political division, and a complex global image. But when you look at the scale of its innovation, its economic power, its cultural reach, and the ideals it was built upon, it's hard to argue that any other nation has shaped the modern world quite like this one. So tell us, where do you stand? Is the United States still the greatest country in the world, or has the title passed to someone else? Drop your answer in the comments, and if this video opened your eyes, smash that like button, subscribe to FInDesk, and stay tuned, because the world is changing fast, and we're here to help you understand it.